What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna get ready to unbox this box and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. It is gonna be a harness bar for the Integra. We're gonna get ready to remove the seats and install this harness bar so we can install some harness seat belts and get it ready for the track. All right, guys, so we're prepping the Integra to put that roll bar in. And if you guys are like me and you guys were missing this little piece, or this piece broke, what I ended up doing for my Integra was I just got a flathead and I was able to pry this little piece up, and I was able to kind of get a needle nose plier like this in there inside of my hole. I was able to pull it up a little bit and it was still slipping a little bit. So what I grabbed was this needle nose vice grips. Once I had it up with the pliers, I was able to get on the vice grips and pull it up, and that ended up helping. Oh, my bad, I don't know if I had the camera, but I had the needle nose right here and I grabbed the vice grips and I locked it and I was able to pull it out, and that's how I was able to get these seats off. So now we're gonna get these seats off and then get prepping to put that roll bar in so we could get the Integra track ready. All right, guys, just wanted to show you that real quick, just in case you guys struggle like me. That's a quick tip for that. We got the box opened up for the harness bar, but before we start unwrapping all this stuff, we got one more unboxing that I want to show you guys, and that is we finally got a GoPro, guys. I'm excited to use this. Been wanting one for a long time, and I finally got it. We found a deal at Costco. So yeah, I'm gonna flip you guys to this jump. Bam! Look at that, guys. That jump looks pretty cool. I like this because it has a camera on the back side so I can see what I'm recording at the same time, and also on my face too. But we're gonna just work on it facing this way. I did end up getting the harnesses today as well. I've been trying to mock it up to see how I'm gonna put it on. I don't know yet. These are a little weird, and I don't know if I even got the right one, guys, for racing, because I think I do need some that have a date on them. These don't have a date, so I did get them on eBay. But I don't know if I'm just look into it, or I'm gonna just install the harness bar right now, just for the meantime. And then these I was thinking of, because it has these weird things where you connect them. It's not a straight rope. So I was just thinking of strapping him and tying him where the seatbelt buckles go on that side and on the one over here for the meantime. And then this one would go right here as well to this seatbelt buckle, and the other one would probably go right to the seatbelt, or the seat, the actual seat. I don't want to put it to the seat. I would rather put it on the chassis of the car. But yeah, let's get this harness bar in the car and let's start messing around and see how we install this jump. All right, guys, we got this side all ready to go. Now I'm gonna just show you guys how to do it on this side, just so you guys can get a concept of how it could go on your car. So in your box is gonna come with this bracket right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove your 14mm nut, or bolt, more said, that goes on your seatbelt. Remember, just to keep this normally, and just take it how it goes. Add this other washer back into it right here. Now you're gonna add your bracket, which goes this way like this, and you're gonna have that little space. Then you're gonna install your thick one. Then you're gonna install the crush washer with the regular washer, and then this one right here, which just locks everything in place so they don't fall as you're putting it. So damn, can't get it in there. So I'm gonna just tighten it in here as much as I can real quick. Sorry, guys. There we go. Just to keep it in place so not everything falls. Now we're gonna finagle this thing in here as safely as we can. Try not to get it to line up. It's getting dark already, guys. There we go. Or not. Damn can't get it, guys. What the heck? Get mechanical. There we go. It happens, guys. So yeah, we tighten it, and now when you tighten it with the ratchet, you're still gonna have this free and loose, and you're gonna have this all good to go. Let's just hope that we're able to get this all lined up correctly on it. We're about to find out. So let me put the bar on, and then we'll show you guys how it's looking. What is going on, everybody? We got Tiffany getting ready because I told her she's gonna be on video because this GoPro records more wider. But we got the harness bar installed. Put this back. We got the harness bar installed, and we got harnesses. But we're gonna remove these harnesses today because I ordered them, and they are right, but they are not the right ones. I'm supposed to have ones that have dates for safety. That's how these look. I like the purple because I have like the purple heart right there, have like a purple bracket. So I just added some purple little accents to the car. But unfortunately, I'm gonna return these. I think these were like 60 bucks, and it brought the pair. But I'm not gonna use these, and I'd rather return them and get my money back so I can put it on the new harness seatbelts that I got, which I got them right here. This time we went with the best value in safety since 1975, which is what it says, and that is Race Quip. We got actual Race Quip harnesses, seatbelts, and these do have a date on them. Let me see it right here. It is for June of 2026, so we got like 2 years of racing with it. We got 2024 H Day, 2025, and 2026, so 3 years actually. So yeah, we're gonna slap these on. I did get these on Amazon for $115. And yeah, I'm probably put you guys on my head while I remove the seatbelt, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I install these. Well, I could show you on these real quick on how I ended up installing these. To start, I bolted it on to where the bottom of the seatbelt goes right here. That's where I installed that. I also installed it with the 2 bolts right there, and I put it right there on this other seatbelt bolt right there. So that's how it goes. And the one that I got now has a 4th seatbelt, which is going to be in between your legs. And I have a friend that has a, not the exact same car, but he has a Honda, and I looked at how he installed his, and he put it right here with one of these bolts, and it just goes in between your leg. So I'm gonna end up doing the same thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on my head, probably do like a quick time lapse of me removing everything, and then yeah, let's get it, guys. Well, guys, I guess the time lapse wasn't recording when I was trying to do this, but yeah, the hardest part for me is always trying to put all this together right here, this assembly, and trying to get it to screw on. Can't get it to screw on. And I also saw that I have to make this little bracket a little bit bigger, just because this is going to go in between here. So we got this little Dremel piece. We're going to go to our workbench, and we're going to try to make it just a little bit bigger. It just needs a little bit, so I'm gonna just shave off a little bit. But yeah, I had to take off the seat because this little piece that holds in all the bolts and hardware kind of ripped, so all my little washers and stuff fell inside. But yeah, let me go make the seatbelt thing bigger, and then we'll get back to it. Thank you. Man, you guys should have seen in the time lapse, I dropped this junk too many times too. Let's ruin this beautiful color. You guys can see it shape a little bit. All we need is a little bit, but it's still not enough. I'm about to put it on the vice grip. Okay, so what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna just end up wrapping this harness in between the harness bar, because I think it is gonna give it a cleaner look and I'll be able to run the race quick. So what we got to start with is removing this piece right here, which is that, which just fell. Yeah, which is that right there. And what we're gonna do is essentially gonna leave this like this, and we're gonna loop this one over, and we're gonna loop it back under here. Loop it. I need to get myself a little bit more room. Okay, I'm gonna loop this over. I hope you guys can see, guys. I really hope so. We're gonna loop it back under here. And in order to keep this locked, you have to loop it back again in between here. So just get that corner in. Once you get that corner in, you can pull it, and boom, there you guys got it. So now all I gotta do is just get in here and adjust it. But that is how you lock these seat belts on the harness bar. So yeah, we got everything back together. Did a kind of time lapse, but I can show you guys real quick. I ended up bolting it up to the seatbelt bracket right here. I ended up bolting the other one to where the actual seatbelt goes right there. All you have to do is just remove a little washer. Coops.
You're not recording right now.
I am. It should be. Yeah. This one to here, and then the center one, I just ran it to the bottom of this bolt, and I put a washer right there. And now we are race clip certified. Let's go. Look, it worked.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these installs, these struggles that I had trying to put these on, but I worked. And yeah, guys, stay tuned, because we still got a couple more things I got to do tomorrow. Jack up the car, clean some things, make sure everything is tight one more time. And then yeah, stay tuned, because we do got more videos, and the H date is next week, guys. I'm so excited. Hope I'm still recording. It's not recording. It is recording. Still getting used to this GoPro as well. Let me know what you guys think of the quality and the point of views and stuff like that. And then yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Say bye, Turbo. Woo, 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 woo. Bye, Turbo. Woo. All right, guys, later.